You know, as we know, people care about property taxes, and I'd say hate's a strong word, but why do so many people seem to hate property taxes?
Yeah, it's interesting because if you talk to economists, if you talk to people in public finance, they love property taxes. They say that this is a tax that reasonably scales with the benefits you're receiving. It passes the so-called benefits test, that it's relatively economically efficient, that people aren't changing their behavior that much because of property taxes. But you talk to the average voter, they do not like property taxes. And I think there are a couple of reasons, and they're fairly good reasons. One, you're seeing your property taxes rise because of appreciation of value of your property, which is a good thing. You want your property value to appreciate, but you're not realizing that right now. You're only realizing that value when you sell, and you might hold on to this property a long time, so there's an ability to pay question. Two, it's incredibly radically transparent, and I love that about the property tax, but you don't see it with the competing taxes. You do get it on every receipt with your sales tax, but how much did you pay in sales tax this year? I doubt anyone knows. Even with income taxes, with withholding, a lot of people really don't know what they owe in income taxes. But you get a property tax bill in the mail, you know what you paid, and you get your assessments.
You cut one big check for it.
You cut one big check, and that is a painful thing to do. And I know some people have escrow, there are different ways this works, but property taxes, you feel the impact. And even if it is a better tax than many of the others, I think people feel that. And then there's just equity questions that arise around property taxes that I think can be addressed to make sure that the property tax is reasonably related to what they're actually getting out of local government.
You know, one of our members has pointed out, just because his house is now worth more doesn't mean he has more dollars in his pocket to pay for it.